sir. Good evening. Hey everyone. Hello sir, good evening. I'm Prince Kyril Zero from BSIT 3C. My app is Event Planner. Here is my here is my LinkedIn page. The Event Planner app provides a slick and modern platform to organize and manage event efficiently. The login screen features futuristic neon theme interface combining dark mode aesthetic with glowing sign highlights for a clean and professional look. Log in directly with the username and password here. Create an account using the registration link here. My create account, password, and I have also an account. And access personalized event planning tools after login. Admin. Sir 1. This app is designed for event organizers, coordinators, or individual who want to track schedules, attendance, and event details all in one place. Here is my home page. My home page, event, create event, admin. Event planner is a designed to help users stay organized and in control of their event, whether it's a school activity, company seminar, birthday celebration, reading, or any community program. The app provides a central platform to manage all event details from planning to execution. When users open Event Planner, they feel in control of their schedule, their event, and their future. It's not cluttered, it's organized simplicity. It feels like a dashboard of possibilities, a command center where every plan, every celebration, and every important date begins its journey. The homepage blends functionality with futuristic aesthetic. The dark mode layout is not only stylish but practical, reducing eye strain and focusing attention on highlighted section. The consistent neon blue color background palette creates a strong readability, giving users the sense that this isn't just an ordinary planner. It's a smart digital assistant for event management. Here, create event. Tayo nyo mga event title, description, location, start and end date, time. Here, title, birthday, year, then description, location, start, location nilay ko, then start and date, time, and end date time. Then last is capacity and 50. Here my event planner, create. I have create, save, and this is my create upcoming event, create event, birthday celebration for Jasmine and waiting. And here's my app and admin. Ako na ng admin, sana ng admin. And this is my app, event planner. Thank you.